Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hasnan Ali. Today I am presenting you the CP of MSI microprocessor interface and controlling. In this CP I made a automatic gear system which use microcontroller to program in assembly language and implement in the hardware. Show the hardware. Now I am powering the circuit. Here I power it. Now I will use external interrupt to work the circuit. Here. Now the LCD is displaying that the car is in auto mode and the speed presenting here is 0 and the gear shift is also 0. Now I will increment the speed. Now you see here that the gear shift is now 1 when speed is 2. Now I increment the speed more. Now as you can see here, after the threshold point which is 5, the gear shift changed from 1 to gear 2. In this hardware, according to the increase of speed, the circuit will automatically shift the gear to the higher point. For example, from gear 1 to gear 2, gear 2 to gear 3, and these LEDs show the actuator point. Now I will decrease the speed. It will decrease the gear shift. फिर से स्टार्ट से शुरू होता है. So now I finish it as you demonstrate that how an automatical gear shift works. I use PIC18F microcontroller as a microcontroller to program it and run automatically. Thank you for watching this video.